Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add free shipping for your products in Site123. So let's just start here. When you're gonna have your store here in Site123, you want to click on edit and then go to the settings, and you're gonna see here shipping. Click on it, and when you're gonna click on shipping, you have options to just add new region. But if you have already created one, you won't just click here on edit, or let's just create new region. So we got like, I'll go Algeria, okay, and name will be nice. And then you're gonna have like shipping method here, and you want to go like free shipping or flat rate, but we want to choose free shipping. And yep, and estimated delivery time 14. Save. So now this is how we can add the shipping here. And what I wanted to show you is this: when you're gonna have products and click on product, you can also add shipping here, that global rates is like what you created in settings, or just free shipping just specifically on the product. So this is the option how you can do it. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance, support. And yeah, thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.